The Judicial Service Commission kicked off the process of interviewing the shortlisted candidates for vacant Chief Justice position Monday morning. First to appear before the 9-member panel was appellate Judge Alnashir Visram, and immediately settled for questioning. The interviewing panel wanted him to explain why he thought he was the most suited candidate to succeed retired Chief Justice Dr. William Mutunga.
I would like you to focus what you as a judge, Visram, with your tour on duty in judiciary, what have you done to demonstrate you have competencies for those roles?
I have never been called by anyone in my 17 years to do this or that. And I presume it is because of the reputation, the solid reputation I built as being a completely impartial judge, as never succumbing to any notions of helping people, except in my work as a judge based on the facts and the law before me.
He would soon answer questions regarding his first assignments were he to become the Supreme Court President.
This institution to be a symbol of justice to the common man. I would like to see an institution, because we're living in the digital world, to respond to the digital world and get online as quickly as possible in areas where we're not online. To get the entire registry system digitized in a way that the filing of cases in courts can take place at any time, 24/7.
Justice Visram undertook, if appointed to the position, to set in motion the digitization process of the judiciary, which will extend to the tradition of delivery of rulings by the judicial officers.
We probably are the last country on earth where judges are still writing in longhand. It is extremely a bad reflection on us. One of my top priorities is to get judges off the pen and onto the digital world.
Issues touching on judicial independence will crop up during the vetting, an area which he said he would work tirelessly to uphold, but highlighted what he termed to be the major challenge towards its realization.
Cartels that have just developed around the judiciary, and somehow or the other find every method to intimidate judges, to intimidate me, or to find a way to get a ruling in their favor. I assure you today and always, it has never succeeded. That's why among some of the cartels, or perceived cartels, I am enemy number one.
Cartels, he told the panel, are known to thrive in an environment where there are no foolproof internal mechanisms. Faced with questions of winning public confidence at the judiciary, Visram sought to give this assurance.
And that will be my first step, to rebrand, re-energize, and recreate the confidence in the Supreme Court.
His vetting could not end without being put to task over several judgments made in the past in his capacity as the judge of the High Court and later as the judge of the Court of Appeal.
Should Kenyans be worried about Honorable Alnashir Visram as Chief Justice?
I've written 2,000 plus judgments over a period of 17 years. And I hope that Kenyans will not be so scared about one judgment as to what kind of a Chief Justice I will make if I made one quantum award that is disproportionate in the minds of some people.
High Court Judge Musaga Mbogoli is set to appear before the panel on Tuesday in a week-long exercise that will come to an end on Saturday. Eric Biegon reporting for Channel 1 News.